It's a humble request for you guys to like, share, and subscribe. So let's start the video now. So let's open Google Chrome, Amazon console login. So let's give the first link. So I've already logged in into Amazon console. Uh, so in here, let's go to S3. So let me create an HTML file, simple HTML file which prints hello world. So I've just created the file which prints hello world in the h1 tag. H1 is heading tag. So in here, okay, one thing I forgot, that the extension needs to be added. So let's add .html extension in here. So when we click that file, so it should be opening in the Google Chrome. So it's printing hello world. Let's create a bucket now. So in here we can see that the bucket name, let's give it static website for now, and the region is, let's leave it that as it is. And remove that block all public access, and versioning I would not be requiring, I will not be using that. And that's it. I think we are good here. Let's create the bucket now. Okay, the naming should be unique for all of the global S3 account, S3 buckets which has been used. So it should be unique for all of the S3 buckets. So let's give some number after static website. Okay, I think now it should be taking. Okay, I need to acknowledge the current settings. So we created the empty bucket, and we will be adding that HTML file now in this. So to make this static, this as a website, so we need to actually, now when we click on the open, it will open because it is a signed URL that is coming from the AWS account itself. So when we go inside the object, and we copy that URL and open in incognito browser, it will be giving us access denied, because we need to set some permission, uh, set some policies for this. So let's let's go to the bucket now, and let's go to the permission tab. So in here we have the bucket policy. We have already uh, disabled block all public access. So let's get the bucket policy. We'll just Google it out. Let's go to the first link, and this is Amazon itself. So we have the bucket policy here. Let's copy this, let's paste it, and in here let's replace the bucket name. Now let's save changes. Now let's try refreshing that page, which earlier was coming access denied. So now it is working, hello world is getting printed. So Thanks for watching.